Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's sure to elevate your 3D printing experience, the Creality Ender-5 Max. We found this impressive machine online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Creality Ender-5 Max is a large volume 3D printer designed to cater to both professionals and enthusiasts who want to push the boundaries of their creations. With a massive build volume of 400 by 400 by 400 mm, this printer allows you to take on larger projects and batch printing with ease, liberating you from the constraints of smaller print areas. Whether you're working on prototypes, intricate models, or large-scale art pieces, the Ender-5 Max can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Ender-5 Max is its ultra-fast printing speed of 700 mm per second. This is made possible by its high-performance X-axis motors, which not only allow for rapid printing but also ensure high-quality results with every layer. With an acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, you can expect quicker turnaround times without sacrificing the precision that is essential in 3D printing. To further enhance your printing experience, the Ender-5 Max comes equipped with a 36-point auto-leveling system. This intelligent feature ensures that the print bed is accurately leveled, which is crucial for optimal adhesion and consistent results. By utilizing 36 reference points, you can be confident that every print starts on the right foot, minimizing issues that can arise from an uneven bed. Durability is another key aspect of the Ender-5 Max. It boasts a robust all-metal extruder designed to withstand high wear and tear. This near-end dual-gear extruder supports continuous printing for extended periods, meaning you can tackle those long projects without worrying about clogs or performance drops. For professionals managing multiple devices, the Ender-5 Max offers enhanced productivity through LAN multi-device control. This feature allows you to connect multiple printers for streamlined operation and improved workflow. Coupled with the upgraded Creality print slicing software, managing your 3D printing tasks becomes significantly simpler, letting you focus on your creative process. So, who is the Creality Ender-5 Max suitable for? This printer is perfect for professionals in need of a reliable machine for prototyping, small businesses looking to produce functional parts, or even dedicated hobbyists wanting to experiment with larger prints. Its blend of speed, precision, and ease of use makes it a versatile tool for anyone serious about 3D printing. In terms of practical use cases, the Ender-5 Max shines in various applications. Imagine creating custom prototypes for product development, producing intricate models for architectural designs, or even crafting large-scale artwork for exhibitions. The printer's expansive build volume and high-speed capabilities open up a world of possibilities that can cater to diverse needs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a powerful, large-volume 3D printer that balances speed, precision, and user-friendly features, the Creality Ender-5 Max is definitely worth considering. It is designed to help you achieve your creative goals while enhancing your overall 3D printing experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,